Let's make one of the famous Ghanaian soups. This is absolutely nice. Okay, so this is peanut butter soup or groundnut soup, and trust me, the recipe is so easy, but the taste of this soup, oh my god, so amazing. It was so nice. Okay, so today I'm going to share it with you, and trust me, you will love it. In my cooking pot, I have my peanut butter. I've added my tomato paste. Okay, so I will just go ahead and then mix it very well till it combines. If today is the first time here, welcome, Owezo. Please, we share easy recipes here, so do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Yes, you're subscribing because the recipes are easy and you will love them. Okay, very beneficial as well. Now, after mixing it like this, I'll be adding my water to it to get that to dissolve. Okay, yes, that is what I'm going to do. So now this is how it looks now. I am just going to fry it. I mean, just leave it on fire and then keep stirring. But trust me, I have a lot of things to do. I mean, I had a lot of things to do that day, so I left it on fire and it got burnt small. Yeah, so just keep on stirring and then just allow the fire to be under it very low. I couldn't lower it because I was behind time. Okay, yes, so you can see that now the oil looks so good. I'm roaming. Forgive me that I'm not standing at one place because I had a lot of things to do that day, and I need to concentrate here, look that place, so that everything will be in order. Now this is how it looks, and it is so perfect. But I'm just going to add some water to it and then allow it to be on fire again for more oil, so you can see that it is well fried. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful for always spending some time with me. I'm so grateful. Okay, yeah, please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section, like the video, and let me know how you prepare your peanut butter soup as well. I'll be very grateful to learn from you. You know, we learn from each other. Yeah, now it is ready, so I'm just going to add some water to it to dilute it. Okay, and then we are good to go. I have my good meat on fire. I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and my goat seasoning. We are just going to allow this to cook very well. This is the male goat, so we need to cook it very well because it is hard. Okay, Ghana punchy can. Yes, it smells good, Angaza. So we will leave it on fire, cover it till it is well cooked, and when it is well cooked, I will get back to you, my dear. Just now the thing is well cooked, and this is how it looks. Oh my goodness, absolutely flavorful. Don't forget to add salt to it as well. Okay, because I added salt and then good seasoning as well. So today our seasoning that we used is our salt and then good seasoning. Now our goat looks so good. I'm just going to add the peanut butter we fried on fire and we diluted it. Yes, I'm just going to add it to it, and then we continue with the soup. We are now coming to start. Yes, because we fried the peanut butter, it is going to help us to get done early. Yes, but if you add it straight away like that, it takes time, and also sometimes you may be asking yourself, is it ready, or it's not ready, is it ready or it's not ready? But when you fry it like that, you know you are okay, that this thing, it is well fried, so it is already cooked very well. Okay, yeah, I'll give it a stir and then leave that on fire. Like I said, I had a lot to do at that day. You can see just beside it, I am preparing another thing there, so I have to concentrate so I do not burn anything. Now I'll get back to you very soon. After some few minutes, oh my goodness, just look at our soup. Absolutely delicious. It is boiling very well. At this moment, I have seasoned some fish and they are in the oven. Okay, if you want to know how I season my fish, I have a lot of recipes on wherever you are watching me from, whether YouTube, whether Facebook, you will see it there. So that fish, different types of fishes, they are also ready and I have cleaned them very well. I'll be adding it to the soup very soon before we taste for salt, because I made that fish myself and it is well seasoned with salt. So I have to introduce all of them to the soup before, if I will add anything salt again, I do so. So we are going to just allow the soup to do its own thing before we add any other things. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So please follow us for more videos. When preparing peanut butter soup, okay, you don't have to increase the fire too much, else you may end up getting that pale peanut butter soup. But if you want it pale, that is fine. But if you want it this way, the fire should be under it. And I always tell you guys that when preparing food, you don't have to start preparing food with higher heat, okay, so that after that you will give yourself work to do, because you know very well that no one will do it for you, my sister. You now, you will clean. So why are you messing up your countertop, the stove top? After you are done preparing everything, then that is when you will be cleaning. Now I've added all my different types of fishes, and just look at that. Just say it looks absolutely delicious and very, very, very nice. And trust me, this sister fell in love with my soup. She said, oh my goodness, the soup tastes so good. I'm just tasting for salt, and when I tasted, oh my goodness, the fish also has added their flavor to the soup. And just look at that. If in case you are confused, because you know very well I don't eat meat, but I'm able to taste this, is because I told you guys some time ago that when I use good meat, I can taste the food. Even though I don't eat it, I can taste it, or I can even drink the soup, okay? But when it is something bad, like turkey, like chicken, forget. I will never taste it. I will just imagine it. Yes. And now the soup is good. That is just by the way. We are just going to allow it to be on fire for some few minutes, and then we are good to go. At this moment, I know you may be asking, won't I add any pepper or any vegetables? We've added it already. That is the pepper, ginger, garlic, onion we blended. So we are not going to add anything to it now. Our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. It was very simple.